Hello, my little big girl. Hello, my little big girl. You know what, guys? She's been rolling for, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks now, nak. She's getting stronger every day, yung kanyang neck. Hindi na siya tinutulungan, guys. Siya na lang yung nag-roll by herself. Symptoms, daddy. Why?
Sore throat, a bit of a cough, fever, sweats, but the one that I'm sort of most not worried about, but is a little bit different, is I've lost my taste buds, so I can't taste anything. Everything tastes bland.
Morning, guys. Ang aga ni mami niyo today. It's 7:30 pa ng umaga. And alam niyo ba, walang tulog si mami niyo kagabi. So, naghilamos lang ako and nagbihis. I am planning to put this mask on my face para naman hindi masyadong, para mabuhay-buhayan ang dugo ng aking mukha. Kasi sobrang haggard of resource ni mami niyo. Si baby Silly natin ay not well since last night. So, pinick up namin si Ate Paris kahapon sa school. And then, nag-stop kami ng grocery. Kasi gusto magpabili ni Ate Paris ng custard. So, nag-stop ako quickly. Super quick lang talaga. Tapos, ewan ko, nag-start doon parang very unsettled na si baby Silly natin. Sobrang iyak na siya ng iyak. Tapos, pinapadede ko, parang ayaw niyang i-take yung dede. So, nag-rush ako pa uwi. And then, since then, guys, iyak na lang siya ng iyak. Like, almost, all night. Umiyak siya. And, kasi nga, Ate Paris had a cold. Actually, until ngayon, meron pa siyang cold a few days ago. And then, sumunod ang ating baby Celine. And si Daddy Mike ay meron ng sipon. So, everyone is sick in this household except me. And, si Ate Paris natin is starting to feel better. So, ngayon naman, ang ating baby Celine is getting worse. So, yung cold naman niya, guys, I don't think it's only cold kung bakit siya iyak ng iyak. Kasi, parang, di ba sabi ko before, yung drooling niya, excessive talaga. Sobrang dami talaga. And then, sa isip ko, maybe she's teething. Kasi yung iyak niya talaga, guys, like she's in pain, cry. Alam, si mami ako, diba? So, alam na alam ko yung kaibahan ng kanyang pag-iyak. So, last night, yung iyak niya talaga is parang nasasaktan talaga siya. And you know what? Like, it breaks my heart. Kasi, last night, parang nakatingin siya sa akin, umiiyak siya, and then kitang-kita ko talaga yung laki talaga ng luha niya, guys, na tumutulo sa mata niya ba. And I tried to like settle her with, milk and all. And then for some reason, parang ayaw din niya yung milk ko, parang pinupush niya. And dun ako nag-isip, maybe siguro talaga yung gums niya is hurting, na ayaw niyang magdede. Hindi niya tinitake yung dede ko. I think I can hear her now. Anyways, long story short, wala akong tulog. At 5 o'clock this morning, pinainom namin siya ng Nurofen for children. And she started to feel better. Then, hindi na siya umiyak. And I put her doon lang sa floor para mag-watch ng nursery rhymes niya. And then, nakatulog siya, guys. And I think I can hear her now making some noise. Hindi ko na yata siguro ito ilalagay, guys, kasi nagising. So, nag-book kami ng doctor's appointment for 8:30. But then, kasi nakatulog siya. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, maybe we'll just book it. Para i-move namin until mga 9 something. Kasi gusto namin siya, na makatulog talaga siya. Like, yung full on talaga natulog ba. Kasi ating umiiyak na yata. Let's go. Diyan ko siya nilagay. Ayan, may sakit din. Ay, hindi siya umiiyak. She's just making noise. Hi, my princess. Hello. This one. Hello, my love. How was your good nap? Yeah. How was your quick nap, honey? Oh boy, did it, honey? Yeah. Oh, tingnan niyo. Yung ilong niya, I think it's blocked. Laway-laway, oh. Ang ating Ate Paris ay tulog pa rin. Sobrang aga pa kasi. Ayan siya. Diyan siya natulog kagabi. Kasi nga hindi maganda yung pakiramdam din niya, guys. And then, yan yung pinainom namin kay Baby Celine kanina. Ay, shush. Hello. Medyo madilim pa kasi I didn't turn the light on. Hi, anak. Buti na nga lang, guys. Hindi na to siya umiiyak. Nakatulong talaga yung Nursery. Padede ko na lang to siya ngayon kasi last time nagdede siya mga 5. So hopefully she'll take the DD this time. Ay, nana. Tapos may fever pa siya kanina, guys. Kunti, slight lang naman. 37.8. Pero sa baby kasi, na yung slight fever na yun. What's this one? Ay, what's this one? Sobrang nakakaawa talaga, guys. Sus, kung narinig niyo pa yung mga iyak niya kanina. Stress na stress ako kagabi kasi ito siya, umiiyak. Ang ating Ate Paris ay umiiyak din kasi may sipon. Ating Daddy Mike din ay hindi magandang pakiramdam. Ewan ko na lang. Sana hindi madapuan si Mama, nak. Nak, na? Sana hindi madapuan si Mama. Ding, ding, ding. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I ended up putting on the mask. People. Ayan, oh. Andito ang ating baby girl, oh. Ipapadede ko na to, guys. Hopefully, magdede ito siya. Pasensya ng aking boses ay very mahina, ha? Kasi tulog pa ang mga tao dito ba? Naririnig niyo siguro ang sa background. Okay, anak. Baby. Come on, mama. Hi, tita and tito, oh. I'm going to the doctor soon, tita and tito. Going to the doctor soon. Ayan. Walang tulog si mami, guys. Pero laban lang tayo sa buhay. Anyways, padidi ko muna to. Ayan, we'll see you again later, tita. Ate Paris is awake. She's having her breakfast now. So, she's stirring her hot chocolate. Do you love your hot chocolate? Are you feeling better now? Look at here, babe. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata lang. Oh, parang namumula ang kanyang eyelids, guys. Baka allergy lang siguro yan. Nakain niya. You still have cold? No? Nakakatulong talaga yung yung air humidifier sa sa kwarto ba. Nilalagyan ko ng parang eucalyptus. Ano? I'm gonna take Celine to the doctors. To Tita Nurse.
Okay.
I'll take Celine to Tita Nurse. Okay lang ba ang aking mata, guys? Walang tulugan. Walang tulugan. What is it, anak? Paris? We'll just go in the car. Yeah?
I'm just going. But I want to go to the shops.
We can go to the shops later, okay? Have your breakfast? I'll go to the shop later. Ito ang ating baby girl, oh. Thanks God, hindi naman siya paiyak-iyak, guys. Pero kahit na hindi na siya paiyak-iyak, dadalhin ko pa rin siya sa doctor. So maybe they can, you know, I want them to check her.
This is my parents.
What is it, na?
Is that my parents?
Yes, honey girl. Yes, baby girl.
I have a great seat.
Yeah, be a good girl and eat it, okay? Oh, well, oh, well, 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 well. Oh, well, 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 well. Did you wee wee, baby? Yeah, have your croissant, honey. Yes, baby. Ay, shush, ang sipon. Kaluoy sa sipon. Ay. Kaluoy sa sipon.
I'll take them. I always take them.
Nakabihis na. Aalis na kami. Where are you going na? Are you going to see Tita Doctor? Ayos! Ubo-ubo mo na ang baby di. Ay, shush, big girl naman kaya ang baby na mo. Oh? Shush, big girl naman kaayo, oh. Ayun si Daddy Mike, pinasok na niya si Ate Paris sa sasakyan. Because our appointment is in 20 minutes, honey. So we better make a move, okay? I love you, princess. I love you, anak.
A few moments later.
On our way to the medical center now. Bawi-bawi pa sa kanyang daddy. Gusto sumama eh. Nak, where would you like to come, Nak?
Huh?
Where would you like to come?
Yeah, it's down to the
Why?
I don't want to come.
Because you wanna come. As easy as that, yeah? Careful, anak. Go, go, go. You know what we're doing, Paris? Hmm? Checking Celine? With? With who?
The doctor.
The doctor.
Hello, Papa. The doctor.
We're just waiting for our turn. Just click on the link and hold it there, okay? Dito kami ngayon sa COVID testing area. Kasi magpapa-test si Daddy Mike natin kasi meron siyang symptoms.
Hey,
Yes, anak.
I can see.
So, kakatapos lang pala naman. Dilim-dilim, guys. Uy, kakatapos lang namin sa appointment. Kailan ko ba itong suotin? Kakatapos lang namin sa appointment ni Baby Celine, guys. And, sabi ng doktor, she's
Yeah.
happy with her naman daw. I don't need to worry too much. Meron lang siyang slight na, viral infection. So, meron siyang sore throat. That's why.
Just once.
Alright, so I'm
Is
going
enough?
to go back to the report and then the knife, okay?
Sure.
So this knife, please. Open the knife, please.
What is it, honey?
I got my cards.
Yeah. How many did you get?
100 million.
100 in a million?
I got.
Kinuha niya yan kanina doon sa medical center.
Thank you so much.
I got
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Alright guys, just had my COVID-19 swab test. Hopefully we'll get the all clear later today or tomorrow. But yeah,
What's your symptoms, Daddy? Why
sore throat, a bit of a cough, fever, sweats, but the one that I'm sort of most not worried about but is a little bit different is I've lost my taste buds, so I can't taste anything. Everything tastes bland.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the reason why.
But-
check.
Yeah, but don't feel too bad. Well, actually don't feel too bad.
Time check tayo guys. It's 11:18 ng umaga. And, yun, kakatapos lang namin magpa-swab kay Daddy Mike. Pumunta lang siya sa, anong tawag dito, pharmacy. Kasi, pinapabili ko siya ng Nurofen for Children para kay baby Celine. Kasi, meron naman kami sa bahay guys. Daddy's back na ako, very quick. Meron kami sa bahay, pero nawala yung syringe niya. So kagabi, nabaliw kami sa paghahanap. Hindi namin alam kung paano namin gagawin yung 3 to 4
Why you gonna say?
milliliter na kadami ng ano.
Why you
So,
gonna say?
bumili na lang si Daddy Mike ng ano,
Why you gonna
ng bago.
That's honey.
No, Daddy, there's no,
What?
it's different from the one that we have at home. So the one at home is like strawberry.
Yeah,
So,
but
like-
this is alright.
So Celine was like,
Daddy, I want custard.
oh, it's alright, orange flavor.
Yeah, the orange is the more popular one. Yeah, we gotta get the chips and yogurt, honey.
So ayan, pwede na kasing mabigyan si baby Celine ito guys kasi from 3 months to 5 years to siya. And then Celine will be 4 months next week. So, she's fine to have this one every 6 to 8 hours. Bahay na kami. Ayan, nakatulog na ang ating baby girl. Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi pero ang dami pang ginawa. Binigyan namin ito. Oh, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike na bago. Nurofen for Children. Tapos orange flavor. Alam niyo, pinainom ko siya una ha. I don't know if she didn't like the orange flavor or parang na ano na siguro. Baka na diretso sa kanyang lalamunan ba. Pag-push ko ng syringe. Sumuka talaga siya guys. Sobrang dami niya. Lahat ng dinedin niya ata ay sinukan niya. So, naghintay kami konti. Binigisan ko siya. Naghintay kami konti. At binigay ko yung strawberry na flavor. Pero, this time, parang hinahinay yung pagbigay ko sa kanya. Hindi yung, ano ba, diretsahan. Parang pa konti-konti, ganun. Kasi hindi din niya type. Yan, pero nakatulog na naman siya. Naibigay ko na. So, hopefully, she will feel better. Yun kasi yung sabi ng doktor. Naibigay lang sa kanya today and maybe tomorrow as well. Every 6 to 8 hours. And then we'll see. Sabi naman kasi ng doktor, she's happy with her. Kasi nung nandun kami pa, tawa-tawa man to siya sa doktor. Sabi ng doktor, wala naman siyang rashes. And she is very attentive ba? Yun bang nakatingin talaga siya sa doktor, hindi ba yung luya? Sabi ng doktor, that is very normal, so don't stress. Ano lang daw yung viral infection. Ganun. Hindi naman daw, sobrang pula din daw ng ano niya, ng lalamunan niya. Tingnan niyo ano meron pa dito. So hopefully she will feel better soon. Si Daddy Mike naman ay nandun sa kwarto kasi he had to cancel yung mga lakad niya. So dapat may lakad siya today at saka bukas. Kasama yung mga kasama niya sa trabaho na hindi na niya kasama kasi nag-resign na siya. Pero parang catch up nila ba. So hindi natuloy kasi nagpa-swab siya kanina and we're waiting for the result. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow makakarating yung result. Sana okay yung lahat. Hindi na sana siya magpapa-swab, guys. Kaya lang last night nung sinabi niya sa akin na parang nawala daw yung sense of taste niya, yun na, sinabi namin na maybe kailangan mo nang magpara. Kasi hindi normal yun, di ba? Yung mawala yung, ano mo, yung loss of, parang, sense of taste. So, uminom siya ng lemon lime and bitter na drink. Sabi niya, parang tubig lang daw. And then, ano pa yung, kasi nagkape ako last night, nag-hot chocolate ako kasi nga ito siya. Paiyak-iyak, so hindi ako nakatulog. Nagkape ako para hindi ako antukin. Kaya sabi ko, tayo mga ito. So, ininom niya. Sabi niya, hindi daw talaga niya parang mataste talaga yung hot chocolate. So, sabi ko na, we'll just get swab test tomorrow. Kawawa talaga, oh. Hanggang ngayon, guys, anong oras na? 2 o'clock na. Wala pang tulog si mami niyo all night. Hanggang ngayon. So, laban Japan. Para sa pamilya. But I'm okay. I'm alright, guys. Now that she's sleeping, I might idlip konti. We'll see how it goes. Kasi itong isa gusto rin maglaro-laro. Tingnan niyo. Oh, actually, tingnan niyo, oh. I'm still trying to edit as well. Hindi ako hindi ko matapos-tapos yung editing, guys. Ayan. What did you put inside your bag? Show me. What are you up to, Paris?
I have to take these.
What's that?
My toys and wallets.
You have lots of wallets, don't you?
I got these wallets.
Show me. Oh, lucky.
And look, I like this wallet because it got a key in it.
Oh, really?
Why you do it like that?
It's supposed to be like that, honey.
But it don't. But I see you didn't put it on yesterday.
Oh, okay. I did it today.
Huh?
Ito rin siya, guys. She's, kinukop din niya ang kanyang kapatid. Ito siya, mahirap to siya painumin ng, yung mga ganito ba? Medicine ba? Pero alam niyo, kasi nakita niyo na mainom si Celine. Mainom din siya. Hala, knock, ang coins, knock. Careful. Hala.
But I have to share.
Knock, hala.
Hala.
You know, when we watch TV, guys, sinasabi niya, hala, hala, hala. Kasi yun yung naririnig niya sa akin.
Wait,
Hala.
wait.
Ikaw nak may agay.
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 Anak, manimpi na
I
lang
put it
ba?
right here so sleep don't.
Manimpi na lang ba sa daddy nak ah? Buling-buling nga po ka, oh. Messy again. How much money have you got there?
110 million.
110 million. Sana, oh, my 110 million. Magbilang anghel ka sana, anak. Be? Ay, gosh! Sinsilyo mo di ay. Sinsilyo.
But I'm gonna share. One for parents, one for Mia's brother, and one for Alina.
Okay, good sharing, my love. Celine! Have a look at our baby girl rolling in the deep. Anak? Shh. Anak, she's gonna look at mama. Hello! Bah. Daddy, I think the thing gets here. It gets into my throat as well. It's really hot, isn't it? Can you taste it? Hi! Hello, my little big girl. Hello, my little big girl. You know what, guys? She's been rolling for, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks now, nak. Nadia? She's been rolling for a couple of weeks now? Yep. She has been rolling for a couple of weeks now. Yeah. Way! And she's getting stronger every day, yung kanyang neck. Hindi na siya tinutulungan, guys. Siya na lang yung nag-roll by herself. It's such a beautiful girl. Yeah, that's right. You're gonna do tago anak, the hide and seek.
Hide and seek?
Yeah.
With Celine?
Yeah, with Celine. Celine. Tingnan niyo, guys. O, paiyak-iyak pa rin yan siya.
Hurry.
Much better. Anak ko! Don't do like that, no?
That's your face.
Siling-siling ni Mama. Laway-laway. Ate, don't put your hand on her head. Bulingit ka, bulingit.
Bye. Dude.
Ayos, anak, baka. Siya, baby siling. Ang bata nga naglaway-laway. Hala, tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha. Oh.
My
Hala, nak, ano nangyari sa mukha mo, nak?
try.
Open?
Yeah, I'll open. I want
There
watch.
you go. Good girl, drinking water. So, it's now 5 o'clock ng hapon and alam niyo, sabi ni Daddy Mike, nag-worsen daw ang kanyang pakiramdam. Ewan ko, sabi niya sa akin kanina na what if daw kuno mag-stay siya ng hotel na kahit malapit lang dito sa sa bahay namin para makapag-isolate daw siya. Wala pa yung resulta. Yung resulta ay maybe tonight or tomorrow. Kasi pag negative, text message yung matatanggap mo. But if you are positive, I think you will get a call from somewhere. So oh my god. I'm hoping it's flu lang, no? Yung hindi ba corona kasi nakakatakot Natatakot ako, guys. Sabi niya, wag kayong palapit sa akin kasi ayokong makuha ninyo. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Ito, hindi na masyadong maganda pakiramdam nito. Itong isa din, ako na lang yung parang okay na hopefully, Lord, oh my goodness. Guys. Kasi yun pa rin yung nararamdaman niya, guys, na wala naman siyang fever. Actually, chinek namin kanina yung thermometer. Ewan ko kasi thermometer ni Baby Celine yung ginamit namin. Ano lang siya, 36.2. I decided na ilakad-lakad yung ating 2 girls sa labas habang hindi pa siya madilim. Iiwan muna natin ang ating Daddy Mike dito. How do you feel at the moment?
COVID.
Hello, Bob. I'm really hoping it's not COVID, guys. I hope it's just, a rundown because we've been busy and stressing about.
No, not that at all. I got something from the girls. They were sick.
Yeah. Yeah, but...
I really took Paris' sickness away.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Daddy.
Princess. Paris has been so sweet. She gave me tissues.
Did you give Daddy tissue?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the thing is, we're saying, the loss of sense
Watch
of...
me December, I ate like a full chili,
Oh yeah, that's right. So kumain siya ng very hot na Korean na noodles, guys. Parang wala lang sa kanya. Sa akin, sobrang very, very spicy. Pero sa kanya, parang wala lang. We'll see. I'm hoping, kasi normally, dito kasi sa Australia, guys, kapag negative yung result mo, text message yung natatanggap mo. And then, if ever na positive ka, they will give you a call. So,
I heard it's like 12 hours. I heard it's about 12 hours I should get the text if I'm negative.
yeah. So, yeah, I'm praying that it's negative, Danny.
Yeah, me
Because
too. Just for the girls.
A few moments later.
Time check, 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Nandito kami sa labas. So, pumunta kami kanina. What's wrong? Pumunta kami na, where did we go, Nak? 7? 11. Pumunta kami ng 7-Eleven. Bumili kami ng drinks. Ayan. Slurpee. Ayan. And then, bumili din ako nito. Kasi nagutom ako. Sushi. Avocado or cucumber. And then, I got Daddy Mike this sandwich. Chicken, lettuce, and avocado. Ayan. And then I got this one for Paris. Cheese and crackers. Do you like your cheese and crackers?
Yeah. What's the other way there?
What are you doing? And a little girl is here. Hindi siya natulog. Nak, no, you were just enjoying the ride? Talking to mama? Yay! You enjoying the ride? At least guys, hindi siya umiiyak po. No, I'm hoping that she will sleep well tonight compared last night. I think she will. Kasi meron na siyang Nurofen, guys. Hopefully she will start to feel much better. Isn't that right, honey girl? Isn't that right? Where's your snack? Si Paris talagang nagsabi na dito kami punta. Kasi mag-picnic daw kami dito. Picnic. Nak, not that one, nak. That's for daddy. So, ayun. Tinawagan ko si Daddy Mike. Tinatanong ko kung kamusta siya. And he said that he couldn't stop coughing. So, I'm really, really worried, guys, about Daddy Mike. And, you know, at the moment, I'm just, like, thinking positive, you know what I mean? Like,
Okay.
I hope it's not COVID. And if it is, hopefully it will just, you know, it will just go away. It's, yeah, it's not good. It's not good at all. So, ngayon, after nito, uuwi kami. And then, yeah, we'll put this little girl to bed. Pati ito siya. But ito siya mauuna. Kasi maaga to siya natutulog. So, I'm gonna give her another dose of Nurofen for children. What did you do? Did you take it off your mouth? Babe, Mama will fix it, babe. Mama will help you. Mama help you. 1, 2, 3. There you go, princess. Is that better? Is that better? Bakit hindi ka natulog? Tsaka na siguro to siya matutulog pag ano na. Sa bahay na. Where's your banana, Celine? Where's your banana? Tignan niyo ang isa, oh. Gusto niyang makipaghabulan sa akin. Sabi ko, alangan maiwan natin si Celine. Okay, sing there, nak. Sing there, just like that stage. Come on. Into the unknown. Oh, you're eating one day. Once you're finished. Ganda ng mga roses nila dito.
Mom,
Naputol yung chika ko kanina, guys, kasi nag-memory card na naman, memory full na naman tayo.
Mom,
So, gamit ko na yung phone ko. Yes, na.
that's it. I can call right there.
Ay, sing stuff for mama. Into the unknown.
The one gonna go there. Mom, I can sing there.
Buti na lang to siya, oh, kahit may sipon.
Okay, Mom.
Energetic pa rin. Okay. Energetic pa rin. Miss Pure Energy talaga tong batang ito.
I'm nearly there, Mom.
Nearly there, Paris. You can do it.